Hello, hello, how are ya? I am here with some happy mail from Stephaine G. So let's see. I don't even know what it is. She's been hinting for a few days. Your friend Stephaine G. Oh, tickets! I love using tickets. Thanks, Steph. It's from a Bima sale. Ooh, red ones. Awesome. White ones. Yellow ones. Some more, and on different color blue. It's like a more teal blue. Some more red ones. And some white ones. Oh, my bad. And these bigger ones, these are cool too, these bigger tickets. And some more teal ones. More teal. Like that. And more yellow ones. And oh, these are cool. For you wish. Them are cool. Yes, I like these. You want to see how I love using tickets? I came across this. What did I do with them? I got this mail this past week. Scott's dad still gets mail. And it came with these. Aren't these cool? 41,000 grand prize. 41,000 grand prize. I don't even know what it was for, but CR. Oh, consumer report. But I thought that were cool, so I kept that. Awesome. Thank you, Steph. Thanks for thinking of me. I will definitely use them. So, awesome, awesome, awesome. I got a little note. So thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks, Steph, again. Love them, love them, love them. Now, I will put them away for in the future here. Put them with them, too. So I will talk to you later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.